Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add IC Markets to TradingView. First, log in to your TradingView account. Hover over Products and click Super Charts. Next, open the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Look for IC Markets in the broker list. If you don't see it, use the search bar to find it. Click IC Markets, then choose your region, such as Australia or Europe. After that, click Connect. You'll be redirected to the IC Markets login page. Sign in with your IC Markets account details. Once logged in, your IC Markets account will be connected to TradingView. And that's it. You're ready to trade using IC Markets on TradingView. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.